ladder. And you know what? I said just moments ago, I'm 5'5". I can't reach a whole lot in my kitchen and different places. And that's why you need this. Kylie Watts is joining me.
Hello.
She brings us all kinds of great things for our home. And this is Little Giant. Can I just say, I have sold Little Giant here for 35 years, and Little Giant is the only brand I trust when it comes to ladders.
I agree 100%, and that is because they are one of the best when it comes to all things getting off the ground, right? You want it to be stable and secure, and you want to have the freedom and independence to do everything you want to do around the house. Now, this one in particular we love because this was modeled after our jumbo 3-step platform. And if you've never seen that, that means it folds to 4 inches. It literally weighs less than 12 pounds, so it's ultra lightweight, but it's an aircraft aluminum construction modeled after a staircase. So when you can climb 2 steps, you can literally climb this. You feel secure, easy, and it holds 375 pounds.
Look at the width of these right here. That's all the difference. This is not a ladder rung that's 2 to 3 inches wide. That's the part about this that I love. It is customer top rated, by the way. And here's the part about the price I want you to know. This is not just a clearance price. This is a clearance sale price. That's like a double discount, clearance and sale clearance. So here's what I want you to know. It was $152. Right now, we just saved you $48. It's $103.99 or 5 payments of $20.80 a month. Let me just ask you this. Is your safety worth $20 a month every time you want to get something up high?
I would say absolutely, and that's the thing. I think so many of us probably grab that chair or that bar stool and do something, frankly, that's not safe. And if you've ever, risked that kind of falling off of something like that, well, that's a situation we don't want you to be in, whether you're indoors or outdoors. I think the Little Giant name truly is synonymous with safety because there's so many things around the house we have to do. Change the light bulbs, change the smoke detector batteries, clean outside, get the things out of the cupboard. This gives you the freedom to do that.
I want you to show us again how simple it is to set up, to take down, that kind of thing, because that's the other part that usually I'm like, it's too complicated. This one is not.
Not at all. I'll give you a quick tour. So fully assembled when it comes to you, it'll be flat like this, and it only takes up 4 inches. So this can go in a pantry, under a bed, in a little closet, doesn't take up a lot of space.
Between the washer and the dryer.
Exactly. You literally just open it up and you're gonna notice a couple things. First and foremost, we have big oversized feet that flare out that are textured. So that's your point of contact with the surface. That's why you have so much stability and why you feel so comfortable. Second thing is, it's an aircraft aluminum construction and modeled after a set of stairs. So as Mary Beth pointed out, these are like 13 by 8.5 inch stairs, platform steps that are textured, so you don't feel like a bird on a wire on a little tiny rung. You literally feel like you're just climbing up 2 stairs.
Bird on a wire.
Yeah, even when I turn it to the side, you'll see there's no overlap from them at all, so it's literally like walking up 2 steps. Then there's an additional safety bar, so you're gonna hear it click into place. If you wanted to unhook it, there's little safety locks right here. That's all you have to do. That clicks into place, and then there's a functional top cap on it where you could put things like the light bulb, your phone, any tools you're using, the battery, so that way when you're climbing, your hands are on your ladder, giving you full stability as you go up these 2 steps. And it's the perfect height, Mary Beth, for everything you need to do around the house.
I was just gonna say, from the floor to the top, I think is 21 inches?
Yes.
Okay, so think about it. It's lifting you almost 2 feet higher. If you went on your tippy toes, you'd probably be on 2 feet higher, kind of thing. But this to me, like I would have to have, now I'm in a dress because we just had the dress. So I'm not necessarily, although I could go up, it's a long dress and I have boots on. But for me, I like that I can hold on to this and go up. And then this part at the top is up against my knees. That makes a big difference because you don't want to be, like dizzy or unstable, and that we get. When you're going to go down, hang on to it again, step down, step down. I just think this makes all the sense in the world. Here's what's gonna happen. You're gonna say, oh, I know, I don't really wanna spend $100. I get it. Put it on Easy Pay. 5 payments of $20.80 a month. But if you don't do this and you end up falling down off of a chair or a stool or whatever that's not built for us to do that, then you're going to get hurt and you're going to say, now that was the dumbest thing I just did, you know? So be smart, go ahead and get it now. Your husband's going to use it, you're going to use it, the kids can use it, everybody can use it. You get an electrician that comes over. Look at the savings, you're saving $48 off of QVC's price and getting free shipping and handling. And like I said, less than $21 a month.
And you have to think about it as your freedom and your independence to get the things done around the house. If you look at the reviews on this, what I love too is all the different ages. There are people literally, we get people calling in too that are in their 80s. Someone was in their 90s that called and said, I love this so much because I can do those things around the house and feel secure doing it. It only weighs 12 pounds, so you can easily pick it up, but it holds 375 pounds, Mary Beth, which is the highest rating you can get on something like this. And remember, if you can climb 1-2 steps, you can literally climb this because it was modeled just after a staircase. So you don't feel like you're on a ladder, you feel like you're on the floor.
Yeah, but you can get things down. You know, if you're lifting something kind of heavy, maybe it's some cooking you know appliance that you don't use all that often. You know, you're on something so stable that again you're not a bird on a wire on a typical ladder rung. You know, I love this piece. I think this is amazing, and 200 of these already out the door. Maybe this is what you buy for mom for Mother's Day.
Good call.
Believe it or not, or father for Father's Day. It's awesome. Kylie, as always,
thank you, Mary
my
Beth.
pleasure.
Good to see you.
My pleasure.
Take care.
In the meantime, we have more that we want to show you. We're talking about safety. Here's something else that we're going to